good evening.
Yeah, hi sir. Very good evening to you, and very happy to see you after a long time. Okay, coming to my office. Okay, and I'm very happy and very glad, huh, to giving your certificate on behalf of your son. Okay, to you. Okay, because he's in UK, so I informed him. I told him to tell your father to come and receive your certificate. Okay, so thank you very much for coming here.
And I thank you, Mr. Subhash, for inviting to receive the certificate on behalf of my son. And I feel proud about 3S Life Save Academy. And it's so glad to receive the certificate. And actually, my son, he did this NEBOSH with some other institution, and where he could not succeed. And after coming to know you, the interaction what we had met in Philips for having some business. And I requested my son to talk to you, and he is already booked with another institution, and then finally he changed his mind and he joined your institution. And felt very happy that, and he told me that the teaching is entirely different from other institutes.
Is it?
Yes. And actually speaking, he has completed his BTech in EEE, Electrical Electronics Engineering.
Okay.
And he was working with the Kuwait Oil Company,
Very good.
and as a drilling contractor, that is Precision Drilling Company in Kuwait, as an instrumentation engineer,
Very good.
rig instrumentation engineer. He has completed 5 years.
Okay.
And then he moved on to UK. Presently he is working for London Energy as an instrumentation engineer.
London
maintenance.
Energy. Huh? Very good.
They are the one who was providing power supply to North London, and he is an maintenance instrumentation engineer.
Very good. Very good.
And he wanted to get promoted himself,
Okay.
because in power industries and all, what they seek is system safety engineers.
Okay. Okay.
When a system safety engineer must have a minimum 5 years of practical experience in the system,
Very good.
and if they have completed NEBOSH,
Uh-huh.
they'll be promoted as system safety engineers.
Okay. Good.
So he made his mind and he said that he wanted to do it.
Okay.
Since I had come to know about you or your institution, and of course we worked together, I recommended you to my son and told him about you. Then he agreed and he contacted you and he enrolled in your institution.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
And he succeeded in his exams.
So nice. So nice.
And the thing is, he had an experience with other institutions also where he did his first attempt, where he couldn't succeed. Everybody will write the results. Answers will be right, but they don't know the way of putting forward the answers
Okay.
to crack down the exam.
Correct. Correct.
The answers may seem similar, but the evaluator will not give the passing marks,
Correct. Correct. Correct.
because there is a technique in writing the exams, the way. So he has greeted one of his tutor from your institute. His name is Mr. Suraj.
Yeah.
So his teaching is very good, and he has specified the techniques, which are all the techniques, what are the techniques to write the exams, to crack the exam,
Very good.
and he succeeded. And he rendered his thanks to your institute and to especially for Mr. Suraj.
Thanks a
also.
lot. Thanks a lot.
And he has sent a message through its WhatsApp to convey the message to you people. And today I am here so happy as a father to receive my son's certificate, that too from this institution.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
And as an ISO IMS principal auditor into certification of companies and institutes, and I have evaluated your procedures and systems here, and your procedures and systems are very good in place, and you people are delivering the courses in such a way to the international standards. So as an certification consultant and certification principal auditor, I do really appreciate your thing, and you please keep continuing doing the same thing, and I really felt happy and wish you people to achieve many more milestones in this industry and educate more people and contribute yourself to the nation as well as to the world in safeguarding safety. Our prime motto is to save lives, and let the people get trained in your institute, pass their exams, and let them work in different parts of the world and in safeguarding the safety of the humans. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. These are wonderful
Thank you.
words you put, and this is what our motto is about. So, imparting the training to the many people, many citizens, so that our nation, okay, should improve the health and safety compliance.
Sure.
Okay, is very potential as if we see the industry today in our India. Lots many places where we need to improve upon. Okay, and this is the good way forward. And we are doing our best, as you said, and we are trying to improve upon continual improvement. And talking about your son, first of all, I'm very thankful to you, in the sense like I'm giving your son is in UK now.
Yes.
So we thought of calling you upon and honoring you on behalf of your son. Okay.
Thank you.
And I had a couple of times when he joined to our institute through the WhatsApp call and all. He's fantastic, intelligent boy. Okay, very good and nice boy. Is asset to you. And he was quoting one thing which I always remember. Subhash sir is a fantastic the way you focus, the way whole team has been
Yes.
concentrating for each and every students. Okay, each and every students have been focused individually in such a way. If I would have been joining this institute earlier in the first time, I could have not referring and reseating. Okay.
Yes.
So that was a good. Okay, that was then having so much of working in the UK. Okay, in the London Energy you said.
Yes,
So the
you could have taken the exam there itself with some other institute, but he opted your institute in India.
Correct.
And sitting in London, he wanted to go through your classes and he passed.
Correct.
Because wherever it is, where the best institution is there, people will join from any corner of the world.
Correct, correct. See, today, coming to the open book examination, see, open book examination is totally totally research based and is a mind game actually.
Yes.
So, irrespective of the number of year of experience you have, okay, unless you apply your thought, if you read through the whole scenarios, okay, it's quite difficult. And NABOSH mean it, okay, and NABOSH with the maintaining the standard of the certification, okay, and that is how this, because of the COVID and Corona now, because they have introduced open book examination last year, and now people are finding very fantastic, and this is a very good knowledgeable process actually. Because earlier it was memorizing the thing and writing the answer. Now today it's a practical approach where you require to have that while answering the questions.
Yes.
As you rightly said, writing the answer is a skill required. Okay?
Yes.
The skilling required means how to take the technical points, how to connect with the scenario. So all those things make you pass. Okay.
Yes.
And for that you should undergo good tutorial. Okay. And somehow if he has passed means that is a proven that our tutorial has been good.
Yes,
As per the standard
course.
of the even at the UK standard, the person who is working in the UK, the safety major been in India and UK could be totally entirely
different.
Entirely different. Okay, and if he is getting passed from our institute, is our caller also gets pride. Okay,
Sure.
so very happy.
See, I did my NABOSH in 2004 in OTE in Muscat.
Oh, okay.
So in those days we used to read and keep everything in memory, and we used to go there and sit and write the exams.
Correct.
And the practical, of course, practical was supposed to be there. Now since being the COVID, practical is not there. But of course for my son, practical is not required since he's been every day he is facing problem.
Correct.
He comes across the hazards in the industry, that too power plant, you know.
It's a process industry, more or
Process
less.
industry, and he is there in the power plant. So they come across many hazards. So it also helps him. And by your institute's teaching way, he was very much pleased with that.
Thank you. Thanks a
And
lot.
so even I too am happy.
No, it's quite obvious, no?
Okay, and I do as an senior specialist for quality and safety, an ex-senior specialist from KOC, Kuwait Oil Company. I was working for Kuwait Oil Company as a senior specialist for quality and safety. I really congratulate you people and wish you people to achieve many more milestones in this institution education field, and please contribute some more, many more people from your institute to serve the safety and environment. Please. And thank you very much, and I am happy. It's my pleasure to be here, and I'm happy to be here with you people and sharing my views and my son's views. And thank you very much.
I will also have one virtual interview with your son also. So I'm going to give you this, first of all, congratulating you, and then this is the process of giving the certificate. This is a beautiful hard file. Okay, so you can see this is the 3S Lifesafe Academy and your son name. Okay, and this is the learner number, and now you just open it, you can find his beautiful certificate here on the page. So this is another innovative idea. We have been doing it because rewarding them, and NABOSH is such a high valuable certificate, recognized certificate, so giving it in very proper manner. Okay, so taking it, once you receive it in your hand, you feel like something. Something you are receiving something, and it will be well protected, safely kept. Okay. There will be no any damage to your certificate for the whole life.
Thank you very much.
This is how we do it. Okay. So thank you. Congratulations once again, thank you very much. Okay.
And I feel proud to receive the certificate on behalf of my son, Avinash Kishore, who has completed his NABOSH through 3S Lifesafe Academy. Thank you, sir.
Thank you
very much for calling me for this interview.
This is your property now. So I'll send the photographs to Avinash also.
Thank you.
Okay. So
right. Thank you.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you very much.
Have a seat. Okay. So yeah. See, NABOSH. Once you talk about the NABOSH, okay, something we talk about the international certification. Okay, and this is the highly rated, highly recognized, highly recommended certificate for the safety professionals. Okay? Irrespective of what domain you are working, which company you are working. You are working in India and abroad. So NABOSH is something like people dream of doing the NABOSH.
Yes.
Because NABOSH since 40 years of the whole, 41 years now. Okay. So they are maintaining the value. Okay. The value of the certificate, because getting the NABOSH, okay, you need to sweat yourself. Okay.
Value as well as it is covering the international standards. This training material is designed and defined to suit the international standards, industrial standards.
Exactly, rightly said. And now what I tell the learners, see, getting the NABOSH, you need to sweat, you need to sacrifice little. And if you find like, I can do it easily, that is not possible. Okay.
Yes.
And really, and your son has put effort, okay, and he succeeded well, and now is in front of you the results. Okay. So good, like, is the priding for us also. As I always tell the learners, so make the things in such a way. You should be a performer. Every learners I communicate every time. Be a performer. Feel doing the things pridely. Okay. Everything whatever you do, there should be some priding moment.
Yes.
Okay. So that will make you push forward. Okay. So NABOSH is the gateway now. Now next level you can go upon. Okay. After the NABOSH IGC, you can go upon the ID. Can go up on the next level. Okay. So this is all. So first you clear it successfully with some sweating and some hard work. Then only you can achieve this.
Yes.
And that will, once you're doing something hard work and making it achieve, then you'll value it. And that's what the NABOSH means. That's what the NABOSH means today. So I feel really proud. Okay. Once your son got admitted to my institutes, our institute is really very feel happy because he's in UK and we are dealing with the UK NABOSH.
Yes. Where he did not take up his exam there and he did not attend any institute there. So he preferred your institute in Bangalore to do it.
Really. Now we have a good team. We have a small team, but all effective team. Okay. And we are looking forward for next continual growth. We need to go for next level of some other programs. You know, we are needing your good wishes, well wishes, and all. We'll see how the things.
Sure.
We are putting the right efforts, right directions, and very genuine way. Okay.
And our support and courage will be there always, and we will even tell upcoming generation also to approach your institute to get trained from you people, and let us see and let us work together also as well in uplifting the younger generation to bring them into the stream of awareness of safety and environment.
So nice.
So for last week you may be knowing in Bangalore itself, repeatedly happen incidents or accidents happen.
Yeah, many
people got killed. And
Yeah, 7 people got killed in the Koramangala.
Yes.
The
Anekal,
that flyover.
industrial area.
Industrial area, there's a fire was happened.
Fire incident.
And now on the flyover of the electronic city.
Because that is the reason 1920 the government of India abolished 1948 Factory Act of Safety Factory Act, and they introduced the 1210 bill in September 2019. And the government of India's interest is to promote safety culture throughout India, in any kind of industry. For that, when such thing comes, India needs more safety officers and safety advisors. And diploma in safety also is there, but however, it is limited for a particular country, but whereas NEBOSH is for throughout the world. It has been designed to the international standards, and wherein students takes up an NEBOSH exam and he can work any corner of the world. And it is good also. And once again I thank you people, and you are doing a very good noble job in educating people in safety and environment. I really appreciate you people, and wish you again, you people should achieve many more milestones. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.